What's up, guys? Welcome back to Healthy Recipe. We're going to be making an eggplant and garlic sauce recipe today. It's a Korean recipe that I've eaten a couple of times and I really loved it, so I kind of reverse engineered it. We're going to do a similar version of it. It's going to be totally delicious, so let's get right to work. Alright, so let's go over our ingredients really quick. I have here about 4 cloves of fresh minced garlic, with about 1 tablespoon of minced ginger, fresh ginger, about 2 tablespoons of minced cilantro, 1 medium jalapeno diced, 3 tablespoons of soy sauce. I'm using hot oil that I made, which is basically sesame seed oil infused with hot chili flakes. The recipe calls for, I believe, is sesame oil with hot chili flakes, but I already have the hot oil combined. 1 large eggplant, about 1 kilogram. The juice from half a lime. About 1 large diced tomato. And then some toasted sesame seeds. So the recipe normally doesn't get lime and a few other things. I kind of took that from just liking acidity with a combination of soy sauce, from papaya salad and a couple other dishes. So I kind of made my own, but the idea is this is kind of like an eggplant cold dish, like a salad. Okay, so the first thing we're going to do is we're going to cut up our eggplant. I'm just going to cut the end right there and this end right here, so I can set it flat, and I'm just gonna cut it kind of like in strips and about 1 inch. Just like so. Now what I'm gonna do is cut it down like that, and I'm gonna make kind of like eggplant sticks, about 1 inch square, give or take, and then I'm just gonna cut them like this and like this, just like that. Some of them will be shorter, it doesn't have to be perfect, just basically making some eggplant sticks. Cut it again, just like so. Some of them are too big, you can cut again, just so they cook evenly. And basically, once we got them all done, we're gonna steam them. I'm gonna go ahead and put my eggplant in there and cook it for 5 minutes until it softens up. You don't want to make it into mush, but you want it to be firm. So I'm gonna steam it 5 minutes, test it, and if it's already to my liking, I'm going to use it, let it cool off, and then we're going to start adding the other ingredients. Alright, so it's been about 10 minutes total that I've given this. I look at it at 5 and it still looked like it wasn't really fully cooked. So basically, let me show you guys. This is kind of what you want it to look like. It's soft, but it's not complete mush. You want it to have some good texture still. So that's perfect. Now what I'm gonna do is I'm gonna take it out of the steamer, let it cool off, and then we're gonna mix the other ingredients, get it ready for the salad. Alright, so now that the eggplant has cooled off, we're gonna go ahead and make our mixture here. I'm gonna do about 3 tablespoons of soy sauce, about 2 tablespoons of the hot sesame oil. You guys can do regular sesame oil and add chili flakes if you want heat. So now I'm gonna add the garlic and the ginger, the fresh minced ginger, the minced jalapenos, I'm going to add the cilantro. I'm going to leave a little bit for garnish. Sesame seeds. Also going to leave a little bit of those for garnish at the end. And I'll go ahead and mix this up. Add the tomatoes in. Fold them. And now we're going to go ahead and add our eggplant that's been cooling off. Now we're going to fold our ingredients with the eggplant. Spread it all evenly. We're going to go in with the juice from half a lime right over. For the acidity, you can give it a nice zing of freshness. And we're going to go ahead and fold that in also. And we are ready to serve. Alright guys, so there it is. Basically all I'm going to do now is I'm going to add a little bit more of the toasted sesame seeds over the top. A little bit more of the cilantro, give it a little more color. And I got some sliced scallions here that I'm also going to add for a little color and flavor. And that's basically it. There it is, my eggplant garlic salad. I hope you guys enjoyed it. Remember to subscribe if you haven't already. Give us a thumbs up if you liked it. And I'll see you really soon on the next one. Okay, so I'm going to go ahead and taste this eggplant salad and see how it came out. Wow. Combination of cilantro, ginger, soy sauce with nutty flavor of the sesame seed oil. It's totally an incredible combination. That's the taste that makes me love so many Asian recipes. The toasted sesame seeds add a little bit of crunch. Nice flavor also. Fresh jalapenos are nice. Fresh tomatoes. This is like a bowl of freshness with a whole lot of flavor. Very low in calories. Eggplant is almost like mushrooms as far as calories. Very, very low. And almost no carbs in this whole big bowl of eggplant salad. So something that you could really eat if you're watching your calories, watching your diet. Super simple, super healthy.